Hello guys, thank you. I want to take this opportunity to thank you. We're in a brand new year. Today is January 1st, 2023. 2022 is gone. We're in a brand new year. I just want to take this time to thank all of my subscribers on my YouTube channel and all the people who are watching who want to learn the English language for the very first time. Again, thank you. I just want to take this time to thank you, the people who are watching my videos, who are wanting to learn the English language. Continue to learn the language, continue to watch the videos, continue to practice the English language. Without practice, there's just no way you can learn the language. You need to practice what you are learning in order to understand and speak and think and talk the English language. Go out there, make it a great year, 2023, and I will see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.